Reminders. In case of an emergency, everyone is requested to keep calm. Study the emergency exit plan very well. Identify which emergency exit to use and the pathway leading to the emergency assembly area. Marshals are positioned around the area to guide us where to go. Following the plan keeps everyone safe. Your actions make a difference. Paalala: sakaling may biglaang pangyayari o emergency, pinapakiusapan po namin ng lahat na manatiling kalmado. Aralin ng mabuti ang mapa at alamin kung aling emergency exit ang inyong gagamitin at kung anong daanan ang susundin papunta sa emergency assembly area. Nariyan po ang mga marshals na gagabay sa atin. Ang tamang pagsunod sa plano ay susi sa kaligtasan ng lahat. Bawat kilos mo ay mahalaga.